We've explored how AI drives productivity gains and enhances customer experience, providing an advantage that positions your organization ahead of its competitors. As you're probably already well aware, competitive advantage isn't just about being better at one thing. It's about creating a position in your market that's difficult for competitors to replicate, even when they can see what you're doing. Competitive advantage is sustainable when it has compounding effects, when early investments create capabilities that are difficult to duplicate, even when competitors try. AI creates this kind of advantage in several ways. It accelerates learning, creates network effects with data, enables faster innovation cycles, and builds organizational capabilities that compound over time. One of AI's most powerful competitive effects is accelerating organizational learning. AI systems improve with more data. The more customer interactions you process, the better your AI becomes at understanding customer needs. The more transactions you analyze, the more accurately your AI predicts patterns and outcomes. This creates a virtuous cycle. Better AI delivers better results, which attracts more customers, which generates more data, which improves your AI further. Competitors starting later face a data disadvantage that's difficult to overcome. If you've been using AI to optimize supply chain decisions for 3 years, you have 3 years of learning embedded in your system. A competitor implementing the same technology today starts from zero. They have the technology, but not the accumulated learning. AI enables faster experimentation and learning cycles. You can test more variations, analyze results faster, and optimize continuously. In marketing, you might test dozens of message variations, quickly identifying what resonates with different customer segments. In product development, you can analyze usage patterns and customer feedback at scale, identifying improvements faster than manual analyses allows. Competitors without these capabilities iterate more slowly, learning less per unit of time. Over months and years, this learning velocity difference creates significant advantage. AI identifies patterns across vast data sets that humans might miss or take much longer to discover. These patterns become strategic insights about customer behavior, market trends, operational efficiency, or competitive dynamics. Organizations that systematically capture and act on these insights make better strategic decisions than those relying solely on traditional analyses. This advantage compounds as insights inform actions that generate new data and new insights. AI driven operational efficiency creates advantage that's difficult to match without similar investment and learning time. If AI enables you to deliver products or services at significantly lower cost than competitors, you can either price more aggressively or enjoy higher margins. Both sustainable advantages. This isn't just about automation replacing labor costs. It's about optimizing entire processes. Inventory management, logistics, resource allocation, quality control in ways that create systemic efficiency improvements. Competitors can adopt similar technology, but replicating your optimized processes, trained AI models, and accumulated learning takes time and investment that protects your advantage. Speed is increasingly competitive. Organizations that can respond faster to market changes, customer needs, or operational issues gain advantage. An extreme example is a quote from Jeff Bezos. He said, "Day two is stasis, followed by irrelevance, followed by excruciating, painful decline, followed by death. And that is why Amazon is always day one." AI enables faster decision making, faster customer response, faster product iterations, and faster problem resolutions. These speed advantages accumulate. Faster response wins customers, generates data, enables learning, and increases competitive distance. Consistent high quality creates reputation advantages that protect market position. AI helps maintain quality standards at scale, reducing variability and errors. Reputation for reliability and quality takes time to build and is difficult for competitors to overcome through marketing alone. They must actually deliver consistent quality over time to match you. And if you're systematically using AI to maintain high standards, you have a structural advantage. AI doesn't just improve existing operations, it enables innovation that creates new sources of advantage. AI accelerates product development cycles by analyzing customer feedback at scale, predicting feature adoption, optimizing designs, and automating testing. Organizations that can move from concept to market faster than competitors can respond more quickly to market opportunities, test more ideas, and establish market position before competitors catch up. Some products and services are only practical with AI. Personalization at scale, real-time optimization, predictive maintenance, and adaptive systems weren't feasible before AI made them economically viable. Organizations that identify and capitalize on these AI-enabled opportunities create entirely new markets or transform existing ones, establishing strong positions before competitors recognize the opportunity. AI enables more sophisticated market sensing, detecting emerging trends, shifts in customer preferences, or competitive moves earlier than traditional analyses would catch them. The ice hockey legend Wayne Gretzky said, "I skate to where the puck is going to be, not where it has been." This early awareness enables proactive strategic adaptation while competitors are still reacting to obvious changes. Being ahead of market trends rather than responding to them creates sustained strategic advantage. Perhaps the most powerful competitive dynamic AI creates is data network effects, where your advantage automatically grows stronger as you grow. With AI systems, more users often mean better service for all users. More customer interactions improve recommendation algorithms. More transactions improve fraud detection. More usage patterns improve predictive capabilities. This creates natural monopoly dynamics in some markets. Customers gravitate toward the service that's better because it has more users, which makes it still better, which attracts more users. The data you generate through your operations becomes a competitive asset. Competitors can license similar AI technology, but they cannot easily replicate your proprietary data set. If you've collected years of customer interaction data, equipment performance data, or market transaction data, that data set and the AI models trained on it represent advantage that can't be quickly duplicated. This makes data strategy central to competitive strategy. What unique data do you have access to? How can you systematically capture and leverage it? What data creates the most strategic value? Beyond operational advantages, AI enables strategic positioning that differentiates you in the market. If AI enables you to deliver demonstrably superior customer experience, you can position as a premium option, commanding higher prices while maintaining strong demand. This works when the experience difference is significant and visible to customers. AI-powered personalization, responsiveness, or capability that clearly exceeds competitors justifies premium positioning. Alternatively, if AI enables significantly lower costs, you can position as the value leader, winning on price while maintaining acceptable margins. This strategy works when you can achieve cost advantages that competitors can't easily match, and when price-sensitive customers represent significant market opportunity. Consistent ability to bring new capabilities to market ahead of competitors establishes innovation leadership positioning, attracting customers who value being at the forefront and creating perception as industry leader. AI accelerates innovation cycles, making this positioning more sustainable than when innovation required longer development timeframes. The most sustainable advantages aren't specific technologies, they're organizational capabilities that enable continuous adaptation. When your entire organization understands AI capabilities and limitations, opportunities are identified throughout the company, not just in IT or data science teams. This distributed AI literacy accelerates adoption and application across functions, creating more innovation and optimization than competitors where AI remains concentrated in technical teams. Organizations that systematically experiment with AI learn from both successes and failures and rapidly scale what works, building capability that's difficult to replicate. This isn't about any single AI application. It's about the organizational muscle memory of identifying opportunities, testing quickly, measuring results, and scaling successes. Competitors can copy individual applications, but not this capability. When AI enhanced decision making becomes standard practice rather than special initiative, your organization makes systematically better decisions across thousands of choices. This cultural shift takes time and effort to build. Competitors can adopt tools, but building the culture of trusting and acting on data driven insights requires organizational transformation that takes longer than technology implementation. Let's talk about how to think strategically about building AI driven competitive advantage. Identify your unique data assets. What data do you have that competitors don't? What data could you collect that would create strategic value? Where does data create the strongest network effects in your business? Focus AI investments where your data advantages are strongest, or where you can build proprietary data sets that create sustainable moats. Focus on compounding advantages. Prioritize AI applications where early investment creates learning and data accumulation that compounds over time. Avoid investing heavily in AI applications where competitors can quickly catch up by licensing the same technology. Think beyond specific AI tools to organizational capabilities, literacy, culture, processes that enable continuous AI innovation and adoption. Technology can be purchased. Organizational capability must be built, which takes time and creates more sustainable advantage. Sometimes the biggest opportunity isn't using AI to improve your existing business model, it's creating new business models that are only possible with AI. These new models can disrupt established markets or create entirely new ones, establishing strong positions before competitors recognize the opportunity. AI also helps defend existing competitive positions against disruption. AI monitoring of market signals, competitor moves, and customer sentiment helps you identify threats earlier, giving you more time to respond strategically. As your AI systems become deeply personalized to individual customers, switching costs increase. Customers would lose the customization and efficiency they've built with you, making them less likely to switch to competitors. If your AI optimized operations enable significantly better economics than competitors, new entrants face difficulty matching your efficiency, creating barriers to entry that protect market position. And the most important principle, as we've talked about, AI advantages compound over time. Early investments create data accumulation, which improves AI performance, which attracts more customers, which generates more data, which further improves performance. Learning accelerates, optimization improves, organizational capability deepens. This compounding means the gap between leaders and followers can widen over time, even when followers have access to similar technology. The accumulated learning, data, and capability create structural advantages that persist. So here's the strategic reality. AI-driven competitive advantage is time sensitive. First movers and fast followers in AI adoption are building advantages right now. The data they're collecting, the learning they're accumulating, the organizational capabilities they're developing, these create positions that will be increasingly difficult to challenge. Organizations that delay AI adoption aren't just missing current efficiency gains, they're falling behind in the accumulation of competitive advantages that compound over time. The window for establishing AI-driven competitive position is open now. It won't stay open indefinitely. In the next lesson, we'll shift from why AI creates opportunity to how you can actually capture that opportunity, exploring the role of curiosity and adaptability, the mindset and practices that enable you and your team to overcome fear and embrace AI-driven change productively. You understand the competitive stakes. Let's focus on building the capabilities to win.